Okay, restating the fundamental theorem of calculus. So as you can see at the top here, we have the fundamental theorem of calculus written out in its normal way. The definite integral from a to b of f prime of x dx equals f of b minus f of a. All right, and we said this was kind of like the amount of change. The net change can be represented by this integral on the left-hand side equals the final position, or where you end up, minus the starting position where you began. Well, we can rearrange this just slightly by adding that f of a to the left-hand side. So that'll give us f of a plus this integral is equal to, on the right-hand side from the original, but we've repositioned it over on the left-hand side, so the f of b. All right, so in thinking about this, what's another way to think about it? Well, we said f of b was the final position. It's where you end up. So I'm going to say final position, and that's corresponding again with the f of b, is equal to the starting position wherever you began plus the amount of change. Or amount traveled is another way to think about it. I always like to go back to like a car example. If you say f of a is what position you start at, f of b is going to be what position you end at, the amount traveled, or the net change, is represented by that integral. All right, how far you went in the positive or negative direction. So I hope this helps out. It's just rearranging the fundamental theorem of calculus to get a slightly different version, but thinking about it in this order is helpful in some applications.